Hey, Avery. How have you been? It feels like I haven't seen you in ages.
Melody, I know, right? It's been too long. I've been good, just really busy with work. How about you?
Same here. I just got back from my parents' house for the weekend.
Oh, nice. Was it a special occasion or just a visit?
Just a visit. It was nice to see them. The usual. My dad is obsessed with his garden.
Uh huh.
And my mom is trying a new, very complicated recipe every single day.
I love that. My mom does the same thing. Last week, she tried to make sushi at home.
Oh no, how did that go?
It was an experience. Let's just say it looked nothing like the picture, but we had fun trying.
That's the important part. It was nice seeing my family, but it's also really nice to be back in my own quiet apartment.
I totally get that. I love my family to pieces, but after a few days, I'm ready for my own space again.
Exactly. My younger brother was there too. He still plays his music so loud.
Right. It's funny how some things never change. My older sister still tries to tell me what to do, like I'm still 12.
Oh, really? That must be fun.
Yeah, she means well. She's always giving me advice about everything my job, my apartment, even what I should eat for lunch. It's a lot sometimes.
That sounds like a classic older sister. But it's good that you guys are close, right? I think it's so important to have a good relationship with your family, even if they drive you crazy sometimes.
Yeah, for sure. We argue about silly things, but at the end of the day, we're always there for each other. What about you and your brother? Are you close?
We are now. When we were kids, we fought all the time over the TV remote.
Of course.
But as we got older, we started to get along much better. Now he's one of my best friends. I can tell him anything.
That's so nice to hear. It's the same with my best friends. The friends I've known since I was a kid, they feel like family now.
Totally. I have a couple of friends from high school, and we can talk about anything. It doesn't matter if it's been a month or 6 months since we last saw each other.
Exactly. You just pick up right where you left off. There's no awkwardness.
Mm-hmm. So what do you think is the secret? What makes a friendship last for so long?
That's a good question. I think trust is number one. You need to be able to trust your friends with anything, and honesty too, even when it's hard.
I agree. And also just making an effort. Life gets so busy, you have to actually plan to see people, or the time just slips away.
Right. It can be hard sometimes. Everyone has their own schedule, their own problems.
Yeah, but even a quick text message to ask, hey, how are you, can make a huge difference.
That's so true. It shows you're thinking of them, that you care.
So, speaking of relationships, how are things going with you and Sarah?
Oh, they're really good. Thanks for asking. We went on a little trip last weekend, just to a small town by the coast, rented a little cabin.
Aw, that sounds so romantic and lovely. It's so important to spend quality time together, isn't it?
Yeah, it's everything. We both work a lot, so we try to plan something special at least once a month, just to get away from the city and focus on each other.
That's such a great idea. Sometimes it's easy to just get stuck in a routine of work, dinner, watch TV, go to sleep.
Mm-hmm. And that's fine, but you need those special moments too. What about you? Are you seeing anyone?
I am, actually. His name is Ben. It's pretty new, only a couple of months, but it's been really nice.
Hey, that's great. I'm happy for you. What do you guys like to do together?
We like trying new restaurants. We're both big foodies, so we're always looking for new places to eat.
Fun!
And we go for long walks in the park with his dog, a golden retriever named Buddy. It's simple stuff, but it's really fun.
Simple is often the best. It's about the company, not always about doing something big and expensive.
For sure. But, it's not always perfect. We had our first small misunderstanding the other day.
Oh no, what happened? If you don't mind me asking, of course.
No, it's fine. It's actually kind of funny looking back on it now. I texted him I'm almost there when I was leaving my apartment to meet him for coffee.
Okay, sounds normal.
Right? To me, almost there means I am on my way. I will be there soon, maybe in 15 or 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's what it means to me too.
Well, to him, almost there means you are like 2 minutes away. So he was waiting outside the cafe for 20 minutes in the cold, thinking I was just around the corner.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I can see how that would happen. He must have been freezing.
He was a little annoyed at first, and I felt so bad. But then we talked about it and just laughed. It's just funny how people can understand the same simple words so differently.
That is so true. Communication is everything. Sarah and I had something similar happen. She asked me to pick up some snacks from the store on my way home.
Some snacks. That sounds simple enough.
Right? So I went to the store and I bought chips, cookies, ice cream, and chocolate. I thought I did a great job. A perfect movie night selection.
Yeah, that sounds perfect to me.
Well, she wanted fruit and yogurt, healthy snacks. I came home with 2 giant bags of junk food.
Oh, that's a classic misunderstanding. I would have bought the same things as you, 100%.
She just looked at the bags and said, "This is not what I meant." We learned that day that we have to be more specific. Now she'll send me a list with pictures.
A list with pictures, that's smart. But those little things, they teach you how to communicate better, don't they?
Exactly. You can't just assume the other person knows exactly what you're thinking. You have to say it.
So true. I really think that's what makes a relationship good, being able to talk about things, even the small, silly stuff.
I agree 100%. And laughing together is also huge. If you can laugh about a misunderstanding instead of fighting about it, that's a really good sign.
Definitely. And being supportive. Like when I had that super stressful week at work last month, Ben just let me complain for an hour straight. He made me tea and just listened.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't try to solve my problems or give me advice. He just listened. It was exactly what I needed at that moment.
That's the best thing. Sarah does that for me too. It's not about fixing the problem, it's just about being there and showing you care.
Right. It has to work both ways. It's being a team.
A team. I like that. It's not you versus me, it's us versus the problem.
Exactly. And that's true for any relationship, right? Whether it's with your partner, your family, or your friends. It's about feeling like you have someone on your side, no matter what.
For sure. Like when my car broke down last week, it was late, it was raining, just a terrible situation. My friend Mark, he dropped everything and drove 30 minutes to come help me.
See, that's a really good friend.
He really is. He even made a joke about it to make me feel better. He said, "Well, at least you're getting your exercise today, because we had to push the car to the side of the road in the rain."
That's great. Having a sense of humor helps in every situation.
It really does. It makes the hard times a little easier to handle, you know?
I think that's my number one most important thing for any relationship, actually. You have to be able to laugh together.
Me too. Life is too serious sometimes. You need someone who can make you smile, even when things are tough.
Well, this was really good catching up with you, Avery. I'm glad we did this.
Yeah, me too. We should do this more often. We can't let it be ages again.
I completely agree. How about we grab that coffee next week, for real this time?
I would love that. It's a plan. I'll text you to figure out a day. And hey, good luck with Ben.
Thanks. You too with Sarah. Say hi to her for me.
Will do. Talk to you soon.
Bye, Avery.